So with me, I have the Xiaomi Smart Band 9, and today I'll show you how to enable and disable the Pebble mode. So this mode basically gives you in-depth statistics when you are going for a run, or maybe you are going to take a run. It will give you in-depth statistics regarding that particular workout. So to do this, you have to enable it from the Mi Fitness app. So grab the phone that is paired to your Smart Band 9 and launch the Mi Fitness app. Then within the Mi Fitness app, tap on devices or device at the bottom of the screen. And then from here, next to the name of the Smart Band, you'll see switch running mode. So select that. And then now you'll see the band mode, the Pebble mode, and the necklace mode. So you want to enable the Pebble mode, so select it. And then you'll see a brief guide on what the Pebble mode is all about. So you can follow the instructions that is provided on this guide. And once done, tap on done, and that will enable the Pebble mode. So you'll be given a few description. So select got it, and that will enable it. So you'll be prompted to start our workout, whichever you desire. Start one, and then that's it. So that's basically how to enable the Pebble mode. So to disable this feature, simply on your Mi Fitness app, simply tap on devices. Let's say you launched it, then tap on devices to access the wearables options, and then tap on stop. And that will disable the Pebble mode. So that's basically it on how to enable and disable the Pebble mode on the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.